In this video, we are going to see 6th Standard English Term 2, Poem 2 from a railway garage. Already we have seen about train in the last lesson. Before getting to the poem, let us see some words and their meanings. Charge. To make a rush at or sudden attack upon a person or thing. Clamber. Climb or move in an awkward and laborious way using both hands and feet. Brambles. A prickly, scrambling shrub of the rose family, especially a blackberry. Tramp. A person who travels from place to place on foot in search of work or as a beggar. Stringing. Hang so that it stretches in a long line. Lumping. Carry with difficulty. Glimpse. See or perceive briefly or partially. Let us get into the poem now. From a railway garage. Faster than fairies, faster than witches. Bridges and houses, hedges and ditches. Yes, do you all know that how the train is moving? Yes, the train is moving very fast. So here the poet says the train is moving faster than fairies. Fairies means angels, and faster than witches. Witches means one who is doing black magic. You can see in the picture next to the angel. The poet says, when we travel in the train, we can see bridges, houses, hedges. Hedges means bushes, and ditches. So we can see these things. And charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle. In the battle, suddenly, the captain says to charge means what the soldiers will do? Yes, they will rush up for the fight. So like that, the train is moving very fast. So all through the way, we can see horses and cattle. Cattle means group of cows. And we can see everything in the meadows. Meadows means grassland. All of the sides of the hill and the plain fly as thick as driving rain. Yes, so like a driving rain, how the rain drops reach the earth very quickly, like that we can see the hills, plains very fast. We can see the sides very fast. And ever again in the wing of an eye, painted stations whistle by. Wing of an eye means just close the eyes and open. That is the time. In the fraction of time, we can see the painted station. Painted station means we can see the painted picture. So the stations look like a painted picture. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. So the poet is saying that a child is climbing the bushes and gathering brambles. Brambles means berries. You can see in the pictures. Clambers and scrambles means climbing. Both are giving the same meaning. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and there is the green for stringing the daisies. The poet says a tramp who stands and gazes. A tramp means a person who moves to one place to another place in search of work or food. The tramps and gazes. Gazes means looks at the train. And many women are stringing daisies. Daisies means flowers. You can see in the picture. They are stringing the daisies and making a garland. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. The poet says a cart which is running on the road. The cart with lumping load and man. Lumping load means heavy load. You can see in the picture, yes, the cart is with the heavy load and man. And here is a mill and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. The poet says we can see a mill and river, each glimpse and gone forever. So we are seeing each and everything just like a glance. Glimpse means glance. Just like that we are seeing everything because the train is moving very fast. Let us summarize the poem. The train is moving very faster than fairies, witches, and like charging troops in a battle. And while traveling, we can see bridges, houses, hedges, and ditches, and we can see the horses and cattle in the meadow. All the sights, hills, and plains, everything is like a driving rain. So, just a wink of an eye, we can see the painted stations, and they look like a painted pictures. And we can see a child who climbs and gathering blackberries, brambles. And we can see a tramp who stands and looks. And women are stringing daisies. And we can see a cart with a man and heavy load. And we can see a mill and river, and each glimpse gone forever. Let us see about the poet. This poem is written by Robert Louis Balfour Stevenson. He was born on 13th November 1850 and died on 3rd December 1894. He was a Scottish novelist, poet, essayist, musician, and travel writer. His famous works are Treasure Island, Kidnapped, Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, and A Child's Garden of Verses. Let us read the poem now. Faster than fairies, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle, all of the sides of the hill and the plain, fly as thick as driving rain. And ever again in a wink of an eye, painted stations whistle by. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and there is the green for stringing the daisies. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever.